think I'm just gonna stand nobody? Want you waste my time, but I
Of course I love you, Johnny.
You think I'm just gonna stand nobody? Want you waste my time, but I am way too fine.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica, but you can call me Jess. Please do not call me Jessie because I do not like that mess. Okay, so we got that out the way. So if you guys are new here, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, share this video with your friends and family, and we're gonna get right into the video. So this video is a little different. Of course, you do not see my face because this is a video dedicated on how to find YouTube, or not YouTube music, but how to find music for your channel. Especially if you guys are vlogging on your phone or if you're editing on your phone. That's very important to know the difference. If you're editing on your phone or if you're vlogging on your phone, this is really going to be beneficial to you guys. And if you're not vlogging on your phone or editing on your phone, I will have links in the description box on my top 5 songs that I use all the time that I don't mind sharing with you guys. So without further ado, let me go ahead and show y'all how I find my YouTube music, okay? Or music for my YouTube channel. And yes, all of these songs that I have found so far for my channel, I have never gotten copyrighted. Knock on wood, I have not gotten copyrighted for it. Yeah, like I was saying, you guys, I haven't gotten copyrighted yet. You know, thank you, Jesus. I do have a method in making sure that I don't get copyrighted, so I will make sure that I share this as well in this video. Okay, so let's get right into it. So everything's going to be screen recorded, so I will try my best to make sure that you guys can see what I'm doing. And yeah, it's probably just going to be a few tips and tricks, some names of some people that I find. So basically the method that I use to find my YouTube music, you guys, I'm just going to let you guys know, if you haven't already found out, it's SoundCloud. Okay. Now, most of the big, I'm talking about big music lovers on YouTube. I like to give a special shout out to Arnell Armand. She has mentioned getting her music from SoundCloud as well. Okay. And some of the tips and tricks. Okay, y'all. So anyway, like I was really interrupted. So I'm just going to let the music play and I'm going to show you guys how I found it. Okay. Or find my music. I usually type by certain artists. I'm going to type like at least about, and when I mean artists, I mean people that upload on SoundCloud. I have a top 5. So I'm going to show you guys how I find it. And I'm going to also show you guys how, when I would like a certain song and I don't know who's going to upload a nice refix. We call these refixes, edits. I don't like to type remixes and I don't like to do mashups because those get copyrighted the most. Okay. So again, mashups and remixes, they usually get copyrighted the most because those are actually real songs. Okay. So I just want to give you guys a tip. So don't get your hopes up when you find a song and, you know, it's kind of like something that you really like, and then you get copyrighted for it because it's a mashup or a remix. Okay. And also when you guys find like a specific refix or edit, or another one is rework for the song, make sure that you guys upload it onto YouTube Studio. You know, if you guys have the YouTube Studio, I hope you guys do, so you can see your analytics. Make sure you upload it as a private video. Okay. Put any title you would like. Of course, put no, it's not made for kids. You know, we don't want any strikes on that. And of course, like after you put that information, you let it, run through its checks and everything. Make sure the checks are being done on that video, and it's going to let you know if it's been copyrighted. So therefore, you do not edit it into your vlog and you get a surprise saying copyright. Okay. So just make sure you guys, pay attention to that. If I need to repeat that at the end of the video, I can, you guys, because I want you guys to do great. I want you guys to have some banging music on your channel. Okay, so I don't know if y'all seen me. I typed in like a specific song. I found the rework for it, and then I uploaded it onto my YouTube Studio. Okay, and then I let the, you know, the copyrights go, or the checks go, excuse me, and then it tells me if it's been copyrighted or not. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all both ways. I'm gonna show you one that hasn't been copyrighted and one that has been copyrighted, so you can kind of get an idea of what it looks like. Okay, now moving on, because we don't want this to be a long video. Okay, so moving on, I'm gonna type in just, you know, an artist or a person that uploads on SoundCloud that is kind of like a 10 out of 10 for me. Most of their songs I really like. I enter their songs on here, or I enter their name on here, and I really go through their tracks. And I find something that I like or it matches with the vibe. I put it, of course, on my YouTube studio as a private video, let it run its checks, and of course it says no copyright, or it doesn't say copyright. Of course, it's not going to say no copyright. It's just going to say, yeah, no restrictions, of course. So I'm able and I'm free to put it on my YouTube video that I'm currently editing. Okay, now if you guys want to know tips and tricks on how to edit, let me know in the comments down below and I will let you guys know, okay, how to edit. I will do a separate video on this video is just for music. Okay, so this is just how to make sure you get copyright free music, how to make sure your music is not copyrighted before uploading your whole entire video, and just to find some banging songs. Okay, and I will leave some links to some great songs that I keep reusing for my videos. Like I keep saying, I will make sure I don't gatekeep you guys. I will put some links in the description box for some good songs that I'm pretty sure you guys will be interested in. Okay, yeah, so anyway, y'all, another tip that I almost forgot to tell you guys, make sure those songs are you have them still uploaded on your YouTube studio for like maybe a day or two, maybe a few days, just to make sure there are no surprise copyrights that appear, because sometimes, you know, they can come back and copyright your song and you're like, man, at first you guys didn't copyright it and now you're copyrighted. So make sure you still have it uploaded just in case. And it might, you know, if you do, may have to kind of put your video like on a public or somewhere to where, or unlisted or whatever you need to do. But I just keep it on my actual studio on a private video. Oh, excuse me. I just wanted to let you guys know that trick. Like, make sure you guys keep it on there. Like when you upload it, like, you know, like any regular video or vlog, make sure you have it uploaded just in case they want to copyright it. Okay, or they decide to copyright it. I don't even think it's like want to anymore. I think it's just if they decide to. So therefore you don't get any surprises. So kind of find your music in the middle of you editing your video. Like if you are edit as you go type of person, this is perfectly fine for you. Like this is perfect for you. If you're not an edit as you go type of person, find your music before you even start vlogging the next video. Start uploading these songs onto your studio so you could check and make sure you run those checks on that to make sure it does not get copyrighted. And if you guys want any type of, like, me to, you know, kind of go through it in words for you guys, DM me on Instagram. I don't mind. Just don't overload me, because this is what this video is for. But yeah, y'all could comment down below if y'all want to, and I can kind of, you know, elaborate in the comments for you guys. I don't mind replying. I reply to every comment, so it's not a problem. Instagram at beautifulmind1989. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. And the next video is gonna be a vlog, and it might be tomorrow. Toodles.